I about skipped doing a video this weekend, but why not? Sunday night, end of the weekend. I'm happy with this square here. Figure out the rest. Got some shelves built. They can be stacked in different ways. And got the rest of the parts there. Might as well show this too. Showed it on the last video. Waiting on some rotors. Tie rods. I went to local O'Reilly to pick some rotors up. They were about twice as much as ordering them. Same parts. So whatever. It's a shame nowadays to order stuff just to be cheaper. Doesn't make sense with shipping either. So let's see. All this does come apart. Not all of it. So I'm gonna redo these squares where they're more modular. So the Technic pins holding these halves together. Horse Night Castle is what started all this. And the way I had it over there, you really don't see any of it. So I have to rebuild the castle. Much taller. Now this is going to get reworked for sure. I still have no idea why I'm messing with these, but it is what it is now. I'm going to finish it. Alright, we'll see if I make it back next weekend with some more stuff. Peace. Hope we all have a good week.